Thanks for catching up with Marine Surety. You know, I've been in the marine insurance business for years, and there's something truly special about vintage wooden boats. These aren't just vessels, they're floating pieces of history that require a completely different approach to insurance coverage. At Marine Surety, we've developed specialized solutions that go far beyond standard marine policies. Let me tell you what makes these boats unique from an insurance perspective. Unlike modern vessels, vintage wooden boats often appreciate in value when properly maintained. We work with professional marine surveyors who understand the nuances of valuing these classics, considering everything from historical significance to the originality of components. The maintenance requirements are particularly crucial. These beautiful vessels need constant attention, recaulking seams, preventing rot, maintaining proper moisture levels. Our policies are specifically designed to account for these specialized care requirements, including coverage for qualified wooden boat restoration specialists. We also understand the unique challenges of storing and transporting these vessels. Climate control, proper ventilation, specialized hauling, it all needs to be covered. And let's not forget about those rare, period-correct components and hardware. Our policies can be customized to protect these hard-to-find parts that are essential to maintaining authenticity. Whether you own a classic Chris Craft runabout or a vintage Huckins yacht, we're here to help protect your maritime treasure with coverage that's as unique as your vessel's heritage. That's what makes Marine Surety different. We understand these vessels aren't just boats, they're legacies that deserve specialized protection.